Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to be learning how to create a Windows server, and we're also going to be learning how to RDP into the Windows server on AWS. So in this case, let's dive right in. So I'm going to be launching an instance. I'm going to be giving it the name Windows server. Then I'm going to be selecting my OS, which is Windows server. So I'm going to be leaving this IAM, the Amazon machine image, at default, which is the Microsoft Windows Server 2022 base. Then my instance, I'm going to be using something higher so that it will be fast. So I'm going to be selecting this, which is we'll be selecting the S3X large, which is have 4 virtual CPU, 6 GB of RAM. Then our keeper, we'll be selecting the VPS. We created this in our first video. If you are following us, then I think for this video we're just going to create a new security group, which we're going to be allowing RDP traffic. We're going to be allowing HTTP and HTTPS. Then for the storage, it can't go below 30 GB. That's 30 gig. So that's all. We're going to launch this. So guys, you can see that our instance is ready. So the next thing we'll be doing is learning how to access it via the RDP protocol, the remote desktop protocol. So I'm going to be opening it. So to connect to our server, our Windows server, you can, if you're using a Windows operating system, I will actually advise you use Mobile Xterm. Is actually very nice. You just come to the download section here and you download the home edition. Very cool. But in this case I'm using a Linux distro, so I'll be using Remina. It actually came with my system by default. So you can see our Windows server is ready. I need to just connect to it. Come to this section, RDP client. So I just need to copy my username. So this is the client I plan to use to connect to my server. So I just need to copy the URL or the DNS. So I'm going to paste it here on my domain. Then my username, I'll be pasting it here. So I'll be expanding this. So you can see it's connecting, it's setting up my Windows server for me. So guys, you can see my Windows server is ready. I still don't know why it's always showing blank, but then it's actually ready. So you can see my Windows server. I'm actually on my Windows server. This is my host machine. This is my offline machine, which is Parrot. Let me show you guys. Yeah, you can see it is Parrot. So this is me connecting to my Windows server. So let me just try to set up one or two things. Let's say we try to download a VS code. Sorry, let me download a VLC. So this is me trying to download the VLC on my Windows server. So you can see my VLC is done downloading, so I'll just try to install it on my Windows server. So say yes, next, install. So you can see it's done. So I'll open it to test to see if everything is working fine. So you can see basically that's all for this video, guys. Thank you very much and do have a lovely day. If there's any questions you have, just drop it down on the comment section. Cheers.